early morning. Orion is rising, and we have Gemini. The bright thing here is Jupiter and the Pleiades. Yeah, winter constellations are coming back. And Auriga. Now let's go on the other side. What do we have here? Look at that. In the trees down there, Saturn and the great square of Pegasus. But now watch this. Coming up in a few seconds, we should get a Starlink satellite train that was launched yesterday and should do a spectacular bright shadow exit about right now in a few seconds. Hello, where are you? Oh, here they are. You see this? Right in the center? Wow, now that's Swiss timing. Looking straight up, almost at the zenith. You can even see maybe the Milky Way. That's Cassiopeia there. Wow, that is a spectacular sight. Don't see this every day. Well, almost every day now. Oh wow, magnitude 2.2 according to Heavens Above. It's pretty visible. Wow. And it's pre-dawn. We get, Orion on the right, and Starlink. Which one is it? Is it 8-10 or 10-8? I don't remember, I'll have to double check. Come on, a shooting star would be nice. Nah, ain't gonna happen. Oh, maybe, who knows? Wow. Let's keep an eye on it till the end. Oh no, the light is gonna turn on. Still visible to the naked eye. Yeah, it was a very bright past today. Okay, bye-bye.